Hi, my name is Grant Gonzalez. My region is over the Middle East, and I apologize for the poor quality of this video, but unfortunately it's the best I can do with my laptop. The article I reviewed is called Islamists Unilaterally Pass Draft Constitution, and I got it off the CNN website. Egypt, which is still recovering from its revolution in 2011, is beginning to show signs of true democracy with the drafting of its new constitution. However, whether or not this constitution will move the country towards a freer, more open society is still in question, experts say. Egypt's assembly worked frantically through the night and threw together 234 amendments, which will be voted on by the public in the next coming weeks. Whether or not this passes will be a reflection on the government and its newly elected president, Mohamed Morsi, which was voted into office after the uprising in 2011. Which toppled the former president Hosni Mubarak. Morsi's Muslim Brotherhood pushed the draft through in just 21 hours, in which time Christians and liberals walked out complaining that their voices had not been heard. A quick glance at the document shows that it vaguely resembles that of the other democratic institutions, which will include giving individuals more civil rights, with wording that prohibits arbitrary arrest and detention without due process, which is a serious issue with the former Mubarak regime. If a person is jailed, they cannot be interrogated without an attorney present. If the detainees don't have one, the state will provide them one. Also, any type of communication device cannot be tapped without a warrant. However, there are still naysayers who are claiming that the document is severely flawed and should not be passed until serious alterations are made. These antagonists claim that the document doesn't support all religions in the country, only Christian, Jew, or Muslim. It never addresses groups like the Bahis, for example, which is a religious group that has long been persecuted for the faith. Critics also claim that the Constitution is moving the country more towards Sharia law, which is a strict religious form of law used frequently in the Muslim world, and it often has prejudice towards other religions. Women's rights are also addressed in the draft, and it says that they are equal to men. However, the fine print seems to hint that the role of women is still restricted to that of the family. Tens of thousands of protesters packed Tahrir Square, which was the epicenter for the 2011 revolution. Violence has broken out in the protest a few times, but it seems to be calm for the moment. Anti-constitution rights have also been planned, supporting the draft and the majority party, the Muslim Brotherhood. To me, these events are promising, but it shows that Egypt has the right idea and is moving in the right direction, as well as the public no longer fears the government retaliation for exercising their right to protest. Only time will tell as the citizens of Egypt continue to support and protest the draft constitution and eventually vote on its passage in the coming weeks. Thank you very much.